Hello everyone, today we are going to study the topic speed, distance and time. Okay, so there are three things: speed, distance and time. So what is speed? Speed, it is the rate at which an object covers distance. Okay, it is in rate like kilometer per hour, meter per second. Okay, so it is a rate at which an object covers the distance. Now what is the distance? So distance, it tells us how far an object or points are. It means distance tells us that that thing is how far from us. Okay, and what is the distance of that? That we know, kilometer. That these are the units of distance. Now the third thing is time. Now what is the time? It is a period of hours, minutes and days. We know hours, minutes and days. So that are the only that come in time. So now you are clear with these three things: speed, distance and time. Now we are going to study the formulae of speed, distance and time. So if we have to take out the speed, then the formula is distance upon time. Okay, so if we have to find the speed in any question, then the formula will be distance upon time. Now if we have to take out the distance, okay, if we have to take out the distance in any question, how we will do? What will be the formula? Formula will be speed into time. Okay, now the third thing is time. If we have to take out the time, the formula will be distance upon speed. If we have to take out the time in any question, formula will be distance upon speed. So now you are clear with the formula also. Now we are going to study the conversion of a kilometer per hour to meter per second and meter per second to kilometer per hour. To convert a speed in kilometer per hour to meter per second, we multiply by 5 upon 18. Okay, so if any question is given in kilometer per hour and we have to convert it in meter per second, we multiply by 5 upon 18. And if we have to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour, we multiply by 18 upon 5. If any question meter per second has to be converted to kilometer per hour, we will multiply it by 18 upon 5. Now if we have to take out the formula of average speed, so average speed is equal to total distance upon total time. Okay, now we will do some questions based on conversion. So question 1 is: convert a speed of 72 kilometer per hour to meter per second. So how we will do? We will simply do 72 into 5 upon 18 meter per second. So the answer will simply come as 20 meter per second. So when we are converting kilometer to meter per second, we multiply by 5 upon 18. Now let's see the second question. Second question says that convert a speed of 40 meter per second to kilometer per hour. So when we are converting meter per second to kilometer per hour, what we do? We do 40 into 18 upon 5, which the answer will be 144 kilometer per hour. So these were some questions based on conversion. Now we will do some questions based on speed, time and distance. Now let's see the first question. So the first question says that if you can cycle at an average speed of 12 km per hour, how many kilometer can you cycle in 2 hours 45 minutes? So the time is given in 2 hours 45 minutes. So first we will convert it into hour. So what we will do? We will do 2 hours 45 minutes to hour. So it will be 2 whole 3 by 4 hour. Now what we will do? Now we will multiply them because we have to find the distance. So we will do 12 into 2 whole 3 by 4, which will be equal to 12 into 11 by 4, which will be equal to 33 kilometers. So the answer will be 33 kilometers. Now let's see the second question. So the second question says that how long will a boy take to run around a square field of side 35 meters if he runs at the rate of 9 km per hour? So the speed is given in kilometer per hour. Okay, so first we will convert it into meter per second. So what we will do? We will do 9 into 5 upon 18. So the answer will be 2.5 meter per second. So now we have converted into meter per second. Now we can see that square field, one side is given, one side is 35 meters. So what we will do? So square field will have 4 sides. So we will multiply 35 into 4. So 35 into 4 will be is equal to 170. Okay, 170 meter. Now what we will do? Now we will do 170 divided by 2.5 meter per second, which will be equal to 56 seconds. So the answer of question number 2 will be 56 seconds. So now I hope that you are clear with the topic, speed, time and